Hi guys, welcome back to Triplezon. Today we're taking a close look at the best solar security camera that combines smart technology with easy-to-use features. If you want reliable outdoor monitoring and full control right from your phone, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The Mo's solar security camera is designed to give you full coverage and flexible surveillance for your home or business. With its 265-degree pan and 100-degree tilt, you can control the camera's view in every direction, up, down, left, or right, directly from the app. This wide range ensures that you can monitor large areas without blind spots, giving you confidence that nothing goes unnoticed. Communication is simple and practical thanks to the camera's one-way and two-way voice intercom. You can listen quietly or have full conversations with visitors or family members remotely. Whether you're checking in on your kids, greeting a delivery person, or keeping an eye on strangers, this feature makes interaction effortless and immediate. Security is enhanced with the built-in buzzer that works together with motion detection. When the camera senses movement, the buzzer sounds an alarm and the app instantly notifies you. This combination acts as both a deterrent and a real-time alert, helping you respond quickly to potential threats and stay in control of your property. The Mo's camera also offers smart event management. You can review screenshots and videos of alarm-triggered activity directly in the app, giving you a clear record of what happened. Customizable settings like recording duration, alarm intervals, and motion sensitivity let you fine-tune alerts to match your needs, ensuring you get relevant notifications without unnecessary interruptions. A standout feature is the ability to focus on a specific area. You can set a zone that the camera monitors closely, and it will alert you only when motion occurs within that designated area. This prevents false alarms from irrelevant movements and helps you focus on what really matters. On the technical side, the Mo's solar security camera uses H.265 video encoding, which is faster and more efficient than older standards. This means smoother playback, quicker loading, and up to 50% less storage space used. You can record more footage without worrying about running out of memory, making it ideal for continuous surveillance. In terms of design, the camera has a sleek, durable build that is suitable for outdoor use. Its solar-powered operation adds convenience by reducing the need for frequent charging or wiring, and the sturdy construction ensures it can withstand various weather conditions while maintaining reliable performance. In everyday use, this camera helps users monitor homes, yards, driveways, or businesses effortlessly. It provides peace of mind by delivering real-time notifications, recorded evidence, and interactive communication, all accessible from your smartphone. The Mo's solar security camera is perfect for homeowners, renters, or anyone looking for an easy-to-use yet comprehensive security solution. It suits those who want both proactive alerts and detailed monitoring without complicated setup. If you want a reliable and smart security solution, the Mo's solar security camera is a great choice. Check the price link in the description and see how it can enhance your safety. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Triplezon for more tech insights. Stay safe and see you in the next video.